Looking for the best non-locking carabiners? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 non-locking carabiners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Black Diamond Neutrino Carabiner. Cold formed material, lightweight and inexpensive. Easy to carry around several at once. Strength up to 22 kilonewtons. Opens to 22 millimeters. Available in 8 different colors. Perfect carabiner for storing, holding, racking, and working, especially in cold weather, as it is designed for the cold. Carabiners of comparable quality may be less expensive than this model. At number 2. Sprookber Stainless Steel Snap Hook Carabiners. Easy transportation of fishing, hunting, and camping gear. 6 carabiners for the price of 1. Bind and carry up to 264 pounds. Easy open and close spring-loaded gate. Durable stainless steel prevents rust and wear. Lightweight stainless steel set of 6 non-lock carabiners, ideal for small jobs and easy transport of minor items or supplies. Ill-suited for big jobs, including transport of heavy equipment and machinery. At number 1. PETZL OK, Lightweight Oval Carabiner. Secures items, lifts and cranes. Size and strength for rock climbing. 22mm gate. Major axis strength equivalent to 25 kilonewtons. Designed for better user grip and ease of movement. Mid-size carabiner with a high capacity for securing cargo and or perfect for rock climbing. Color options are limited and may be misrepresented. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.